Assalamu alaikum. This is series 2 of FIA past papers. Now the question is, if 25% of A is 50% of B, then B is what percent of A? So solution would be, first we will take 25% of A. 25% of A simply means 1 upon 4 of A is 50% of B means 1 upon 2 of B. We can also write this 1 upon 2 of B is equal to 1 upon 4 of A. Now this 2 will be shifted towards right hand side and then B is equal to 2 upon 4 of A. Now this 2 and 4 will be cancelled. So B would be equal to 1 upon 2 of A, or we can say that this 1 upon 2 is simply 50%, is equal to 50% of A. So the answer would be option B. Now question number 7. If the area of a rectangle is the product, area is of rectangle is the product of its length and width. So we would say that solution, area is equal to length into width. If the width of a rectangle is decreased by 25%, you have to suppose that in the starting the area is 100% and the length is also 100%, width is also 100%. That's why the area is 100%. Now if the width of a rectangle is decreased by 25%, simply means area is equal to width is what? Decreased by 25%. 25% means if in the starting it was 100%, now 25% is decreased, means this would be 75%. And the length is increased. The length is increased by 16%. In the starting it was 100%, now 16% is increased, so this would be 116%. Now area is equal to, we know that this 116% simply means 1.16, multiply by this 75% means 0.75. Now if you multiply this would be equal to 0.87. Again, if we will write this into percentage form, this will be 87%. So in the starting, you can again see the area was 100%. Now the area has decreased. Now it has become 87%. So how much amount is decreased? It must be 13%. So option B will be the right answer. Question number 8. If the sales tax is reduced from 8% to 6%, then what would be the difference in the price of 250? So in the starting, the tax was 8%. So we would find 8% of what? The original price, that is 250. So 8 divided by 100 multiply by 250. This 0 will be cancelled, and 8 25s are 200 divided by this 10. So this would be 20. So we would say that 8% of 250 is 20. Now we will find 6%. 6% of 250. So this would be 6 divided by 100 multiply by 250. The 0 will be cancelled, and 6 25s are 150. This 10 will be divided, so this would be equal to 15. So again we would say that 6% of 250 is 15. Now the tax was 8%, it is reduced to 6%. So the amount was tax which was paid in tax, that was 20. Now because of 6% it is paid 15. So the difference would be 20 minus 15. This would be equal to 5. So the answer would be option B. Question number 9. If the rate of the tax on salary is 15%, this is the tax, then what is the monthly salary of a person who pays 4,500 rupees per month? If a person pays 4,500 rupees per month on tax, what would be his salary? So we would say that 15% of salary is equal to 4,500 rupees. So 15% means 15 divided by 100. This off means multiplication. Salary is supposed to be x is equal to 4500. Now this 100 is in denominator, this would be in the numerator, it will be multiplied on the right hand side, and this 15 is in numerator, it is being multiplied here. When it will go on right hand side, it will be divided, and here it is x. Now this 15 one time and here 3 times, so x is equal to 300 multiplied by 100, so x is equal to 30,000. So the salary of the person is 30,000. Option C is the right answer. Last question of the series. Question number 10. Price of a commodity is increased from 40 rupees to 50 rupees in local market. What percentage was this increase? I have given a lot of lectures on percentage increase and percentage decrease. Here the original amount is 40 and after increasing it has become 50. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. So how much amount, how much rupees is increased? 10 rupees. Now percentage increase is equal to increase divided by original. So the increase is 10. This is the increase. Increase is what? 10 divided by, it was originally it was 40. So this would be 40. This would be 0 will be cancelled, 1 upon 4, or we can say it is 25%. So the increase percentage increase is 25%. Option B is the right answer. If you have more questions, past papers questions related to FIA, ADFIA and FIA inspector, you can send me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, 2677132. I will solve for you, and you can also subscribe my channel, Professor Ikhtiyar Mahar. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.